Hi, today's tutorial is how to log in onto Destiny to check in books. This tutorial will help you if I'm away from the library or if I'm off campus and you need to access the Destiny program. First, you click on Library Catalog. Once it opens up to the catalog, you will click the hamburger, which is next to Martin ES. Then you're going to click on Destiny. Once it opens up, you go to the right and click on Log In. And then you're going to type in the username, which is SC Martin. SC stands for self-checkout. And then the password is self-checkout. It's all lowercase. Make sure you spell it correctly. You click on Login. Once you are in the program, then you click on Circulation and click Check In. Here you will start scanning the barcodes that say Martin Elementary School to check in the books. For example, here's one. Once it's checked in, you will hear the bells and it'll show you that the book has been checked in. And that once you're done, you're going to click Reset and the system is ready to check in another book. You don't have to click reset for one by one. You can scan all the books, and once you scan them in, then you click reset. And I do have the guide to log in by the computers, so that way you don't have to memorize the username or their self checkout. And it has all the steps for you to check in. Thank you.